Hello everyone, welcome to tonight's daily cipher for Hamster Kombat. Our daily cipher code for today is trust. Okay, so let's begin to get that one after the other. So we click on the daily cipher option here. Then our first letter is T, which is a single long. So I have long, then followed by R, which is short, long, short, short, long, short. Then followed by U, which is short, short, long, short, short, long, and followed by S, which is short, 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 that is 3 shots, and lastly T, sorry, I have to take U again, which is short, short, long, then S, which is short, 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 and lastly T, which is a single long. So that form trust. So let's claim our 1 million coin. So that's the daily cipher today. If you like this, please like and follow this channel. God bless you.